Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. On this channel, I specialize in reviewing products. I am reteaching myself how to do makeup. And yeah, I ramble and yep. So, if you want to have fun and just random stuff, subscribe. Currently I am doing a giveaway featuring Tom Ford Beauty. I am giving away a Tom Ford lipstick. It is very, very gorgeous. And if you would like the chance to win, all you have to do is subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment in this video below. And that's it. So aside from that, let's just jump right in. So today I'm testing out the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I've seen some really dramatic transformations using this, and it took me a while to get my hands on it, honestly, because when I went on the e.l.f. website, you need to spend $25 or more to get free shipping, and there wasn't $25 worth of products that I wanted. So I was like, let me look in my stores. My local Walmart doesn't have it at all yet. My local Target only had colors that I definitely could not work with. When I called my local Ulta, they said they weren't getting it until a certain day. So basically I had to call them, give them the shade number that I thought would be my shade from looking online, and have them hold it for me. So they did that. They reached out to me and I went and finally picked it up, and now we are here. So I'm very excited to see how this works. I don't even want to waste too much time talking. I'm looking for a brush. Is this a foundation brush? I don't know. I'm looking for a brush. I can use my sponge. I can use my sponge. So I got this in the shade 330W. And let me see what this says. It says this is with skin loving ingredients, collagen, peptides, and niacinamide, excuse me. It says this is a color correcting full coverage with a natural finish. So we'll see if all of that is true. I don't know much about collagen and peptides, but I do know that niacinamide helps control oils, and it also helps with redness in the skin, because I do use niacinamide in my skincare routine. So I do know that, but I can't educate you on the collagen and peptides part. So let's see. First, I was a little scared about the color match. I don't know. And of course, because of COVID, no one is allowed to try anything. So there's no testers. So whatever this color is, look, that's just what it's going to be. I'm going to have to work it out. So I'll use my NYX makeup brush. This is the NYX foundation brush. I haven't used it in a while. I don't think it's used, but when you wash them, and sometimes they get a little weird. It feels a little weird. So let me see if I like that. If not, I have my sponge here, but let me just tap, tap, tap a little. I'm gonna put it on a spot of my face where I know I have issues right now. I have a little friend going on there. Let's see about this coverage. So the color is not bad. It's actually really close. I'm not liking the way this brush is putting it on, so I'm switching to my sponge here. I'm going to pick up the rest in the back of my hand. Let's just see. So what I'm checking for is how it feels on the skin, and of course if it is actually full coverage, because that is the type of person I am. I need full coverage everything. You see I have a lot going on that side, so I'm going to take another pump here and smooth my hair. This is the true test right here. If it can cover this, then we know we got a winner. What? And that wasn't even the whole pump. I just took some off the top. Okay, Elf. Wow. And the color match is pretty spot on. I mean, as close as it's gonna get to my color. Wow. So being that it's a CC cream and not a foundation technically, I'm gonna bring it all the way up. Normally I do not bring my foundations all the way up. I bring it up to about right here. I learned from James Welsh to fill in this part with concealer because you don't want to put your concealer on top of your foundation and cause a cakey situation. So I'm not going to be doing any concealing with this, so I'm just going to go right in with the CC cream. Wow, this is definitely full coverage. Yes. Even if in some spots you felt like you had to build it up more, like I feel like maybe I could, you know, do a little more here. This is still definitely full coverage for sure. This is crazy. This is more full coverage than some actual full coverage foundations that I've used. Amazing. That finish is really nice. I'm gonna add another half a pump for my forehead here. Oops, maybe it's a little more than half. So I'll put on the area where I wanted to touch up a bit more. Let's see, is this gonna become my everyday? The finish so far looks great, but you know, everything with color, you have to see if it's gonna oxidize on you. You're gonna turn into a Oompa Loompa. This is so nice. What I'm curious to see is, being that it's just a CC cream, as they say, I'm curious to see how a full face would look. Because as far as I know, notice I throw that in there. As far as I know, for CC creams, it's like a throw on and go everyday, you know, cover but be natural type thing. Wow. This is really pretty. Oh, I had to get close and really look in. I don't see anything settled. My pores aren't exaggerated. The color doesn't seem to have oxidized at all. I'm pretty impressed. And keep in mind, this was $14. So that's insane, because if you've been watching any of my videos, you know my favorite foundation currently is the Tom Ford shade in Illuminate. And that's a lot more than $14. But this coverage is so pretty. I mean, it's coverage wise, it's, you know, not the same as the Tom Ford. It might actually be a little bit more coverage, but the finish is different. I can't explain the Tom Ford finish. Is just, the name suits it so well, just Shade and Illuminate. But this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I didn't like it so much when I was using the brush. I don't know if it was the brush itself or what. This is nice. This is very nice. It looks very natural. Like, it looks like skin. I don't want to get too close. You can see all my hopes and dreams and fears. But this is really nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause right here. I'm going to finish the rest of my face. I want to see, you know, how powder looks on it. Basically, I want to see how it looks. Being that it's a CC cream, I want to see how it would perform as, you know, if I used it as a normal foundation. So I'm going to pause right here, finish my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. And this is my finished look. So, here's my conclusion. I like it. The coverage is excellent. so far it works well. I'm gonna give it a little wear test, but you know, there's nothing standing out. It's great. It works great. But my question is, and it always has been, and someone please educate me if you know more than I. Hold on first. It looks a little dry. I added my Laura Mercier powder on top. Popped on my eye umbrellas. I put on this melted shadow duo thing by Huda Beauty that I received in a BoxyCharm, and I have on a Tom Ford lip. I'll leave the information in the description. But I really need to know, what is the purpose of a BB cream and a CC cream? Because the thing is, when we use these products, we're looking for coverage, correct? This is a full coverage CC cream. So what would be different using this versus using my foundation? Can someone answer that for me in a way that would like make sense? Aside from the price, I'm gonna have to say nothing. They're both providing excellent coverage, and my thing is, if the CC cream and the BB cream is supposed to be a lighter version, something more simple, if we're still going through the process of, you know, putting on our face. What is this under my eye? I have a little, okay. If we're still going through the process of, you know, doing our entire face, then what's the point of using a BB or a CC cream when you can just continue using your foundation outside of the price? Now, I did see, you know, with the ingredients, with the collagen, peptides, and niacinamide, however, foundations are now starting to come out with skincare ingredients in them. That was another reason I wanted to grab the Tom Ford Traceless Soft Matte Foundation. That's the one that I'm looking at next. But yeah, I mean, this would definitely be an option for me, definitely, you know, based on price. But outside of that, I've never seen the purpose of them. But if you are looking for a CC cream and that's something that you're into, I definitely recommend this 150%. It works amazing. It covers amazing. It is good. It's good, basically. So yeah, those are my thoughts. If you know like the benefits of a BB and a CC cream and, you know, versus our regular foundations, please let me know in the comments below. If you're not already, please do follow me on my Instagram. That's glamorous_Lexi07. And once again, I am doing a Tom Ford giveaway. I am giving away a Tom Ford lipstick once I hit 500 subscribers. So please go ahead, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment in, you know, the comment boxes down there, you know. Yeah, and, you know, let me know what you think. So yeah, that's what it is. Again, the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, shade 330. And yeah, I like the coverage. The finish is nice. It's not as nice as my Tom Ford foundation, but I guess it's different, right? Whatever. But yeah, until next time, bye.